My name is Uttiya Basu. I'm a professor of microbiology and immunology at Columbia University Medical Center in New York. And I am the main organizer of the new meeting, Keystone meeting called RNA Mediated Regulation of Immunity, with a particular focus on mechanism, disease, and therapeutics. And I'm very happy to say my co-organizers are Dr. Sun Her from Harvard and Dr. Noam Stern Ginosar from Weizmann Institute in Israel. The COVID pandemic also emphasized the interrelationship of the understanding RNA biology with immunity. As you know, the COVID virus is an RNA-based virus, and the treatment that we did with vaccination was also dependent on an RNA-based delivery system for the vaccine. So traditionally in the immunology field, people have been focused in cellular and molecular immunology, but with molecular immunology, the drive was always on transcription, epigenetics, and other topics, but a direct focus on RNA was lacking. And so that was the vision that we wanted to bring in this meeting. Covering this whole wide topic is difficult just in one meeting. And there's, of course, our specialized meeting on intersection of RNA biology and immunology. But then we also need to understand the fundamental principles by which RNA works inside us. And the parallel meeting, which is actually traditionally a longer meeting, has happened for a longer period of time. It's not the first time it's been happening. Is going to cover all topics of fundamental RNA biology and non-coding RNA biology, which in itself is a very hot topic, and it intersects with a even hotter topic of immunology, RNA biology. And so bringing all these people under the same roof, letting them hear each other out, having dinners and lunches and tea together would be an amazing experience. And therefore, this was a perfect opportunity for us to bring all these people together. Of course, the traditional topic of how RNA has a role in immune cell development, both innate and adaptive, is going to be covered. And that is traditional topic. But for me, a very interesting section actually is that we have brought in viral biology as well as retroviral RNA, retrovirus-derived or endogenous retrovirus-derived RNA and its role in shaping the immune system, but also their role in pathogenesis and cancer, is a whole section and a whole session. And I think this is a rare opportunity for us to interact with that field, and because it is actually fundamental immunology. But it's normally not covered in many immunology meetings, and this is the first time actually I think somebody is doing that. So I'm very excited about that section because I don't hear that topic a lot, but I'm super interested about it. So the other part is the therapeutics, and if you see the program, you will see that we have a whole joint session with the non-coding RNA folks on therapeutics, and we have some amazing people there. We have people like Trey Westbrook, who's going to talk about small molecules that interfere with or work around splicing mechanism of RNA and how we can use that to treat various cancers. And then there's, of course, work by Oliver Roche and his company developing small molecules to inhibit metal 3, which is a very important enzyme for RNA methylation, a very hot topic in itself. Chuan He is going to talk the basic principles of M6A in immunology. So that is again a very exciting topic: small molecules, RNA biology, how that can lead to therapeutics. The biggest thing about Keystone is that it has actually even though it's intense science, it has this laid back environment that most meetings don't have. You're surrounded by mountains. You can go for skiing or some adventure during the afternoon. You can hear young investigators or junior graduate students and postdocs giving their talks in the workshop or also in the short talk format. I think that's unique. Also, from my past experiences in attending many Keystone meetings, I've been attending Keystone meetings since I was a first year postdoc, and now it's been like almost 20 years since then. I feel that I made huge number of connections to the Keystone experience. You get to know people you look up to. You also make friends with your peer group, and those are very helpful not only in science but in generally many other things in life. So that has been a special experience. But really, the life of a meeting is the trainees and the interaction of the faculty who are there, or the established scientists who are there, senior scientists, with the junior, the young people who are going to take this field forward, make it more enjoyable in the future. So really, to make this meeting successful, we need trainees and young scientists. And so I really would like to let you know that really encourage you to apply for a short talk. The deadline is October 29th. And if you miss that, or if you just want to give a poster, the deadline for abstract submission for poster deadline is January 6th. So please utilize these two dates. Please apply. We'll try to make sure that everybody is accommodated and they are able to represent. Again, the success of this meeting and perhaps also of this field depends upon your participation. So please come.